Today I'm going to give you some updates about the poultry farm. If you've been following my poultry videos, our birds are now big. They're almost laying eggs. So we made for them laying boxes. I want to take you to the house and then you can be able to see some of the changes. The birds look better and bigger and more beautiful. Okay, let me not delay you here. Come. First sanitize your handy, guys. So we are here in the poultry house. So I want to show you these birds. You see they are different. This one has a big comb. See, this one has a big comb, as you can see. It is about to start laying. While this one, its own is growing. So the difference is that the last video that I uploaded about this poultry, they had of course started developing the combs, but they weren't as visible as this. So this is a good sign, and anytime soon we are going to eat the eggs. So come. These birds can eat. I left when I had given them enough food. They are almost washing these plates for me. So if you're able to, remember the last video I uploaded, these birds did not sound like that. It's a good sign that they are about to start laying eggs. So when you reach here now, they start making noise. When you switch off light at night, they start making noise. So it's a fun time in this poultry house. So let me show you around, and then you'll be able to see the laying boxes that we made. We are still prepared, but at least I'll show you how we have improvised. And yeah. So the laying box nests are here. We are still organizing them. So this is one, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So each can accommodate about 12 birds, and yeah, that is it so far. We can't wait, to show you guys how everything is going to be. Yeah, it is really nice. The others are very scared.